Welcome back to our Puerto Princesa journey, where the underground river left us breathless with its enchanting beauty. The echoes of awe-inspiring rock formations and the cool, mystical air within the caves set the tone for an unforgettable experience. Hold on to your seats because it's time to climb the mountain. And of course, zipline time! Strophe. Wow! So, ito po yung doorbell, okay. Ugong rock. Oo nga, no. Oh, you, baby. Do that. We're here now.
Doorbell.
Wow. Doorbell.
It's a rock, though.
Yeah. Yun din. Wow. Seven, ano? 7 up. I see. Ugong. Wow. Opo.
Million years ago po, underwater po ito.
Oh. Kaya pala. Wow. Peace.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Yeah, this one.
The underground, may broccoli rin.
Meron din. Hagdanan, baby. This is hagdanan. And that's the gloves. Oh, hagdanan time. Oh, nice. Dito po tayo?
Hindi pa.
Ay, ito tayo.
Okay. Yung partner ng gloves sa baba.
Oh, okay. Ayan. I mean, dati.
Karami dito?
Nice.
Peace sign.
Siya ako nga. Peace. Peace sign.
Oo, karami.
Okay.
Ganda mo, eagle.
Oo nga, no. Ganda po.
Eagle.
Ayaw nga, there's an eagle. You know. Hi, there's a guard.
Isn't that your country's animal?
Yeah, agila. Kaya yun eh. Kali. Oh, Diyos ko. Wow. Ano po? Ayan na.
Ma'am, tingin ma'am ha.
Dandan pa lang naman.
Oo.
Ed! Okay.
Kuya, dyan ka ba? Wait lang po, aray ko. Masakit pala sa... Teka po, teka.
Alam mo, ma'am.
Uy, hindi mo ko.
Puro lang yung kamay ko.
Kuya.
I'm believing you.
Teka lang ha. Wow! Sa napakas.
Forward yung kamay mo, ma'am.
You're so strong.
Oh my God.
Yung kamay mo, ma'am.
Sa may buho.
Saan ako?
Sa taas ng nut, ma'am, yung kamay niyo. Forward your hand.
Ganito.
Forward your hand.
Parang ganyan.
Apa, yung kamay niyo po.
Kamay mo na, ma'am.
Kamay mo na.
Kamay?
Apa, yung kamay.
Like this. Tapos?
Sige, ma'am. Okay po.
Forward niyo po.
Ganun.
Ganun po.
Ma'am, lingon!
Wait, ate.
Dito sa right side, ma'am.
Yan.
Ayan.
Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ano ba tabot? Hindi ako mabalik dito.
Wait, ako nisa.
Good job, Bo.
Wait lang.
Kaliwa mo na, ma'am.
Kaliwa?
May crack po. Buti kayo may lakan.
Oo nga.
Yung kaliwang kamay, ito yung kanan niyo.
Oh my God.
Ito yung kanan paa niyo. Ito yung kanan kamay. May kaliwa.
Kaliwa?
Apa, baliktad na ako.
Oo nga. Kuya, nagulo ka na rin.
Tala ko, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dito, ma'am.
Hello!
Share up down.
The Ugong Rock Adventure in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Philippines is a popular eco-adventure destination. It involves a thrilling combination of spelunking and ziplining within the limestone karst landscape.
We're good, sir.
Whoa!
Ready, sir?
Yeah.
Wait.
Mabuhay!
Okay, ready, go.
Oh my gosh! Visitors can explore the cave system, climb through rock formations, and enjoy scenic views. The highlight is often the zipline descent from the top of Ugong Rock, providing an exhilarating experience against the stunning background of Palawan's natural beauty. Wait lang! Wait lang! Pa? Pag ganyan, kuya, hold on. Ganyan. Potek, wait. O kuya, yung head ko, ay pwede, medyo tight yung ulo.
Excuse lang po. Yan, ganyan ma'am. Huwag ka matakot gumalaw ma'am. Kahit anong galaw mo dyan, safe ka na dyan.
Okay na?
Opo, okay na.
Yan, spread arm. Yan. Sabi mo rin harap.
Tapos yung bako na lang.
Ready na ma'am?
Oh my God, wait lang kuya, wait, kuya. Wait lang, teka. Ha? Wait lang kuya. Ha, yung surgery ko, wait lang.
Siyat ka ma'am, siyat.
Takot ako.
Masyadong takot ka pag patagal ka ma'am.
Anong gagawin ko?
Sigaw ka muna.
Wait
Sigaw
lang.
mo, siyat mo.
Sigaw mo para
Oh my God.
Release yung ano mo.
Oh my God. Takot ako.
Try mo gumalaw-galaw ka ma'am. Yan, galaw-galaw mo.
Takot ako.
Kung matakot, hindi gumalaw. Yan.
Wait lang, kuya.
Siyat ma'am, sigaw mo ma'am.
Kuya.
Yan.
Kuya, lalabas mo na. Wait lang. Aray ko.
Ano?
Nangyari na.
Takot ka dyan, dali lang.
Step back na.
Paano?
Sigaw ka muna.
Step back na.
Sigaw mo muna ma'am. Para ma-release, sige.
Aray ko.
Sige, shout ka muna.
Nagano ko.
Kasi matagalan ko pag
Oo.
tagal. Video mo na. Okay, dito lang
Alisin
yung...
ko yung mata ko.
Promise ma'am, dito ka lang yung kinakabahan ma'am. Sige.
Saan? Wait
Lie
lang,
down.
kuya. Ha? Wait
Sige.
lang.
Ano?
Paano ba?
Sige,
Ha, ganyan.
Baka nang dahan-dahan. Lay down.
Dandan,
Lapa
lay
na?
down, lay down.
Lapa, kuya. Wait lang.
Yan, oh. Shout ma'am,
Ganyan.
shout.
Wait.
Yan, shout ma'am.
Oh
Ready?
my God. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Shout ma'am.
Oh my God! Kuya! Wow! Oh my God, I cannot see anything. Oh my God! OMG! Nandito ako! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh! Yay! Oh my God! Oh! Yay!
Tayo po, ma'am. Tayo po. Tayo, ma'am.
Tayo pala. Thank you. Nervousness mixed with excitement made our hearts race, but just as the views from above are totally worth it. And let's not forget that the thrill of overcoming those initial jitters. After our underground river escape and the Ugong adventure, we indulge in a sumptuous buffet that just hit the spot. Plus, I'm going to try the tamilok. Tamilok is a traditional Filipino dish, particularly known in the Palawan region. It consists of worms or shipworms that are harvested from decaying mangrove wood. Despite being called woodworms, they are not actually worms but rather a type of mollusk.
Ako ulit ate. Okay. Hindi ko rin napansin.
Lagi yung kinakain ba?
Po?
Kinakain yung talaga.
Yes po. Dito pa nga lang po sa mga table na kumakain nila na po agad ang nagpa-serve.
Mango. Mango. Oh, ito yung shell niya.
Yes po. Yung white.
Oh my gosh, napakadami. Baby, you try. Try yun. Tamilok. Oh my gosh. We were ecstatic to stumble upon an affordable website that made planning our Puerto Princesa escape a breeze. Lomi, pagkain namin. Nice. Lomi house. I thought we were going to swim in the... But I think it's better to swim in the dagat. If it's morning, it's getting dark. So fine, we're going to swim in the pool.
If it is high tide, which every time we've gone here, it's not that.
Fine.
It's okay. We have several.
Baby. Come here.
Hello. Hello, valued viewers.
Let's just swim here. We were ecstatic of stumble upon an affordable website that made planning our Puerto Princesa escape a breeze. Easy communications and amazing experiences, this trip is definitely one for the books. Join us as we delve deeper into the wonders of Palawan. Eleana's everything. God bless and take care. See you next time. Bye.